Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Spotify Wrapped 2022 and I will show you what to do if it's not working. Alright, so I've just opened my Spotify app and it should actually show up right here on the home page, but it doesn't. So what I can do is make sure that I have the latest version of Spotify installed. So as you can see, there's an update available, so I will do that. And although I'm showing this on an Android phone, this will work on both iOS and Android. Alright, so as you can see, the update has actually fixed it for me and it's available now. But if it hasn't fixed it for you, or you already had the latest version installed, what you can try is restarting your phone. And then if that doesn't work, you can clear your Spotify cache. And then if it still doesn't show up, you can also try going to the search tab. And then it should show up here. Or if it doesn't show up there either, what else you can do is you can just type it into the search, Wrapped, like so, and then just click on here on the genre, and then you can see your Wrapped is here, your 2022 Wrapped, and you should be able to access it from here. Alright, so if none of that worked, I have one more trick that you could try, and that is going into your browser and then typing in spotify.com/wrapped. Well, you do have to spell it right though, like so, and click go. And you should get to this page right here, and then you can click on listen to 2022 highlights here, and then it should either open your app, or if it doesn't do that, you can click right here on open app, and that should send you to this page where you'll find your Wrapped.